Alright, welcome back to my channel. Alright, in today's video, the issue we are having with this industrial machine over here is stuck. Like as you can see, I'm trying to rotate the head wheel, but it's just stuck. The engine is stuck, as you can see. It's just stuck. Now there's thread inside there. In case you are having the same issue with your machine is not moving, it's just stuck. Now just pay close attention to this video. So let's go straight to the point. Now, as you can see, first of all, we have to lose this nut over here now. Yeah, you have to lose it because this nut is holding the thing that stop the engine. That make the engine not to rotate entirely, just the inner carrier that is rotating. So first of all, you have to lose the nut. So mine here is refusing to lose, so I'm going to chisel it a little bit so the nut can lose. So in case yours is also behaving stubborn also, just have to put a little screwdriver there, then you tap it with a hammer or something. It's going to lose. But if yours lose quite easy, you can go ahead. Okay, the nut has loose. So just lose it a little. Don't lose it out entirely. Or you can lose it out entirely if you want. But I'm just going to leave it here. Now this is it. This is the hook that is holding the engine, so that all the part of the body of the engine will not be rotating like it's doing right now. It's only the inner carrier that is supposed to rotate. So I remove that stopper there so that the engine will be free. So now you get your small screwdriver, your shuttle screwdriver. Just get one of these. Then you look for a hole in that engine. You see the place that I slide that screwdriver in. So that's exactly how you do, because there is thread stuck inside that engine, and this is how you can free it. So what you do is that you use your hand to hold the head wheel of the machine. Make sure it doesn't move. Hold it very strong. Then you use this screwdriver to turn the engine. Just forcefully turn it, but don't force it too much, or else something might break. So just be doing it like this, just little by little. Now I I think this my own case is that there is needle in there. Yeah, look at the needle. It's not thread that is stuck there. Normally it's thread, but this one the needle broke inside the engine, so half part of it just stuck there. That's why the engine cannot move again. So in case yours is also needle, you can also use this pattern to free it also. But normally this pattern does work mostly for thread. It's much easier in thread. So we'll just be doing it little by little, like that. It will soon go out. Okay, I think it's free now. Yeah, the needle has gone out. You see, that's how it's being done. If it was thread that was stuck there, it wouldn't have taken this long. So now it's rotating. The inner carrier is rotating on its own. So let me just remove this little thread that is stuck here.
Now you have to make sure that this hook is in between the gap in that engine there. Just look carefully to your engine, you see a gap, like as you can see one there. So the hook will be there so that it will stop the engine from rotating entirely. Instead, it will only be the inner carrier that will rotate. So just tighten the knot after you've positioned it right. Just make sure you tighten it very well. Now as you can see, the machine is back, the engine is back to normal. I'm just rotating it now and everything is moving normally. So that's it. Just making sure I'm tightening it very well. So this is the exact thing you have to do if you're having this same problem also. This is what you need to do. So as you can see, the machine is working fine now. The engine is rotating normal. So all you have to do now is to couple it, put your needle. Now you have to make sure that your timing is correct. In case you don't know about the correct timing, you can still check it on my video. I'm going to drop the link at the end of this video, so you can check it out there. Alright, I'm just coupling back the machine. Alright, thank you very much for watching. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share. Alright, see you on our next video.